Driver practice mode is very valuable in synthesis, as it allows you to interact with game pieces, such as balls or power-up cubes, and perform tasks that are crucial to each year's game. Now, to interact with game pieces within the simulator, you must first configure your intake and release settings. You'll start this process by navigating to the Driver Practice tab up top. If there is more than one game piece in the field that you are in, you will need to configure the following settings for each one. However, since we're looking at aerial assist right now in the 2014 field, there's only one game piece, the yoga ball, so we won't need to configure settings for multiple game pieces. To define game piece settings, start by clicking Define Intake and select the mechanism on your robot that will be intaking the game piece. For this symbolic spot, we want to click their claw. Now you'll want to follow the same process for defining your release mechanism. Again, for symbolics, we will still use the claw, as that is what they use to shoot or release their mechanism. Now, to view and edit the trajectory of the game pieces that are released, click on Edit Trajectory. You can edit the speed and angle of your trajectory in here until you are satisfied with how it is being released. For symbolics, we'll want to change our vertical angle so that it is shooting in the right direction. Once you've confirmed this, you can also change where the game piece sits on your robot with the X, Y, and Z offset. Once your trajectory settings are saved, click Save and Exit. Now you can set your spawn point to change where you want the game piece to be spawned into the field. You can use the WASD keys here, or you can use the arrows or the navigation cube. Now press Enter to confirm the spawn point. If you want to spawn game pieces, you can click the Spawn button up top in the toolbar, or you can click whatever button is defined as the preset for spawning game pieces in your control panel. To clear game pieces, just hit the Clear button, and it will remove all game pieces that you have added in the simulator. Once these settings are configured, you can spawn your game pieces, move your robot around as needed, and you can complete many of the tasks that a robot was set up to do.